Hello and welcome. My name's Harriet Muller and today I'm going to be teaching you how to do a quick and easy drawing of a duck. I've had a request for this one, so I hope you enjoy it. What you're going to need is just to have some plain white paper, a pencil, a rubber and a black pen. It can be any pen. You can even have a biro. Anyway, let's get started. So first of all, using your pencil, just draw an oval shape, a small oval shape, towards the top of your paper, like that. That's going to be followed by a much larger oval shape. So remember, this doesn't have to be perfect. Just draw a big old oval shape like that. Mine's really wonky, so it really doesn't matter if yours is as well. We just need like a general impression of a shape. There we go. Now we're going to join up these two with a line going from the right hand side of the top one to the left hand side of the bottom one. And then for the beak, just draw a line coming out like that. And for the two legs, just in the middle of this oval shape, I'm going to draw one leg there, and three parts coming out like that. And the same on this one. Three like that. Now we're going to add some more detail. Okay, so now we're going to add a bit more detail to the duck's bill. So you just draw it round like that, make it come up a little bit like so, and then the lower part, just like that. Draw a little round circle for the eye. And then we're going to be doing the neck. Let's just bring it round like that. I'm going to tidy this part up a little bit. Bring it round. Bring it straight round like this. Now this oval shape, I'm going to do a little bit more slanting down. So that's it. And bring it round like that. Make the shape a little bit more defined now. I hope you can see that. I'm going to go over it in pen so you can see exactly what I'm doing. And then for the wing, I'm just going to bring it round like that. And for the tail as well. And for the feet, and remember to draw webbed feet, so a line in between. And the same on the other one. Just draw the webbed feet like so. And then that's it. Okay, now I'm going to use black pen on top of this, and then I'm going to rub it out, or the pencil. So now we're just going to add a few finishing touches, like the duck's nostril here. And it's got a little marking on its beak as well. And its bill, I mean, not beak, sorry. And then we're just gonna make it slightly darker inside. There we go. Just like that. And then we're going to add some shading to the legs. So just do it in one direction first, and then do several lines in another direction. And the same on the other one. Just like that. And if you want to add any more shading, say in between the webbed feet, please go ahead and do so. But I think that's pretty much done now. So here we have our lovely finished duck. If you've enjoyed it, please consider subscribing and liking, and I hope to see you on the next one. Thank you, bye.